Good morning, students. I welcome you all for this new academic year. My best wishes to you. You have to achieve your goal and your dreams in this new year. So design your dream, design your target for this new year. Uh, Identify yourself, your strength, your weakness. What are things you want to improve yourself, attitude wise and behavioral changes. Uh, your knowledge wise something design your dreams and plan it, try to achieve it, set your goal. So we are living in a competition world. You have to show something different from others. So for that, according to that, you have to design your goal and try to achieve it. You can. I hope all you have identify yourself, your strength and weakness, and what are things you want to improve it. So for that, take efforts and train yourself for getting more knowledge and it changes within you. Okay, my best wishes to you. In this video, I'm going to say something about what are things we have to follow this new year. So this year we planned and we decided to give internal assessment marks for CS subject. So I say you how we are going to follow this pattern for a computer science subject. So have a look of this page. Totally you will have 20 marks for internal assessment. It has three segments. First one, periodic assessment, and a second one, portfolio, third one, subject enrichment activity. Totally you will have a 20 marks for IA internal assessment, 10 marks for tests periodic assessment. Tests will be conducted um, based on your performance. The marks will be awarded. Portfolio, you have to submit your classwork and a peer assessment. It means workbook activity and any creative task will be given, completion of every lesson and self assessment. Any uh, innovative questions will be asked, or you can submit your innovative ideas. It will come under self assessment. So like that, you will show something, you will get some special knowledge achievements of student in the subject. So these are comes under portfolio. And next thing, subject enrichment activity. Subject enrichment activity, it means language subjects, effective speaking and listening skills. You will get proficiency in Tamil speaking and English speaking, mathematics, lab activities and projects. You have to follow these things in math subject. Science, some practical work. Social science, you have to submit a map and a project work. The concerned teachers will explain you these things. So I come to my point. Computer science, once I complete on lesson, you have to submit your classwork, workbook and assignments. Assignments means what? A workbook activity, or will give some special topic to you. You have to write something about, you have to hand over it. So classwork submit, you have to submit your classwork and workbook writing for respected lesson. And you have to create submit your any innovative idea of real-time data. So here you have to think out of your boundary. So you have to think out of your lesson. You have to give submit your, I will, the questions will be asked some real-time data or creative writing something. You have to do these things. So you should follow this pattern. Once I complete every lesson, you have to submit these things without fail. So we will give present your attendance based on these things, your submissions on time. So those who are failed to submit these things, your attendance will not be marked by your class teacher, and internal marks will not be awarded, and you will lose your internal marks. So understand this, and you have to do these things this new year. So this is the general pattern for computer science subject. In this video, I'm going to teach you introduction of Microsoft Excel. So what is Microsoft Excel? So it is a product from Microsoft company. We can say it's office package. We can say it's office package. It This application used for creating or entering data or some data manipulation work. So I hope all you know how to open and how to create some enter data, something you know. Okay, so I don't want to explain this lesson. I want to give some give real time examples for Microsoft Excel applications. Why we are studying this lesson, the lesson objective, the what is the main aim to study of this lesson. Okay, so you are going by bus and you are going by train. So for that we are booking tickets. uh, Nowadays we are booking tickets through online using apps or some other websites. We are giving data, entering some journey date and where we want to go, source place and destination place, something. So we are giving some data. Have you think where the data will be stored in system? The all data will be stored in system in some manner. It can be any format. We have more formats in our system. So have you thought how the data will be stored in system? Yes, all the data will be stored in any format. So in MS Excel, it is used for entering data, and you can store your data. So you can create some tables. You can collect some informations. So this is the main task we are using in MS Excel. So it is the product from Microsoft company. Uh, at present, the Microsoft company it's run by some trust members. So we know the owner of the founder of the company is Bill Gates, but he left out from that organization. Uh, he is one of the member of that foundation. Okay, I come to the lesson one introduction. So this is the primary window of MS Excel. Here you can see the tabs are there. These are the main tabs of file, home, and insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, help. These are the main tabs in MS Excel. So here you can see it has the combination of rows and columns. Uh, this is the port, we can say it's a cell in MS Excel. Every workbook it has a default sheet one. You want to add more sheets, you can add it here. Okay, so here I have installed my PC Microsoft Excel 2019. I did not activate this application, so it's asking activate it. I do it later. So I come to here. This is the column. The column is represented by its name A, B, as per alphabetic letters A to Z. Once it complete A to Z, it will again start with AA and AB and AC and AD to AZ. So these are the columns in Microsoft Excel, and the rows we can say we have millions of rows in MS. You can create more data. So that's why we can say it's flexible to use it. You want to delete rows and columns, you can delete it. Okay, so I come to the beginning of this application. Here you can see you want to create your blank workbook, you can create it, or you want to use some templates, you can use it. more templates available from Microsoft company. As per your requirements, you can choose, you can go for anything. So when once you open this application, you can see, you will see this window. Here you can see blank workbook, or you have created already some files in Microsoft Excel. You can go for open, or you want to open new, you can only open new it. So here you can see save as options. You can save your file once you have completed your task. You can want to rename your file. You can go for save as and change the name. Okay, once you completed, this is the option for print. You want to take hard copy of data, you can take it. So we will see these things one by one later. Okay, so here this is the tab file menu. Sorry, I opened now a blank workbook. I want to open new blank book. Yes, now I'm going to show you the objective of this lesson, the important topics you are going to learn this lesson. The spreadsheets with the MS Excel 2010. You are going to study the application version of 2010. So the main objective of this lesson is you are going to learn about what is workbook, what is worksheet, what is cell, and how to create a simple workbook with simple data. And next thing, how to open MS Excel and how to close it, and how to save your workbook. So exploring worksheet, what are things and tabs are there? You are going to learn it. So we have these concepts in that topic. So I will explain by one. So the main tabs you're going to learn, and entering data in a cell, where you're going to study how to enter data in MS Excel, how to create some simple data, entering some more alphabet letters, numeric data, some strings. So these things you're going to learn in that concept. So this is the first chapter objective. You should understand the main objective of this lesson. For you are studying any subject, you have to understand the main intent of the concept and that lesson title. So this is the these are the main topics you are going to learn. The chapter one, introduction. It's a very simple topic. It's a very simple lesson. You can study, go for MS Excel with uh, Jupyter. Okay, clear. So I told you how to open MS Excel applications. Okay, so I will teach you with give a real-time examples, and explain one by one all the concepts in forthcoming classes. Okay, so now I want to say, once I complete a lesson, you have to complete your activity for lesson. I will give activity, some your from your back exercises, or some generally you have to complete it. So we have more activities in these applications. I will show you how to use the activities, and here you can see. I want to go for home page, chapter 1. Here, kindly bear with me. Yes, we have all the soft copies of all the lessons. I'm now going to class 7. Here you can see workbook and spreadsheets, ebook. I'm going to click introduction, first chapter. Here I can see the topics. Chapter 1, entering data exercise. Once I complete the lesson, I will share this assignments, this soft copy to your through Google Classroom. You can open it from your smartphone or your system. You can have to read that assignment task what you have to complete it. So you have to complete the task activity 1. So like that you have to submit your assignments. So the questions will be asked from that lesson. You have to create your activity. You can submit it through soft copy or hard copy. You have a provisions, a system provisions in your home. Can get in your home. You can use your system laptop or desktop computer, or you want to write manually. You can submit it. I welcome you for both options. Okay. So this is the pattern we are going to follow in CS. So all the access will be given to you. It will be shared through Google Classroom. You should complete it. Okay. So based on your submissions, we will grade you. We will give a internal marks to you. So next class I will teach you how to start MS Excel and work with MS Excel. These things. I hope now you can understand what is the systematic pattern we are going to follow in CS subject. Okay, I will meet you all my next video. You have any doubts and queries, you can contact me through your WhatsApp or mail ID or Google Classmeet applications. Okay, thank you. So, children, in this session, we have discussed about the overview of the Chapter 1 Microsoft Excel 2010. I hope you understood the main concepts in this lesson, what we are going to learn in future class. So get your textbook and go through the chapter 1 MS Excel and read it yourself. Take as a pre-teaching activity because when you take a pre-teaching activity, you will get some doubts. When you have some doubts, you will be good in that concept because the human mind it has some doubts when we are getting some new ideas. Inserting new concepts into your mind, you will have some doubts. It's a common human nature. So that's why I recommend myself to have a pre-teaching activity for any subject. So before the teacher starts the lesson, you have to have some look at the concepts, that textbook, go through the pages. You will have some idea about that. So it will give a good clarity of that concept. So this is a good effort to get a good clarity in that any subject. I hope you understood the overview of this lesson. Get your textbook and have a look. Finally, I want to give some information about Google Classroom app. Some of the students you did not click my link and you did not come into class. So kindly click the link and join into 7th standard. So you have to submit your assignments and your task. It should be submitted through Google Classmeet app because we can see those who are submitted or not submitted. It will be helpful for teachers to find out and correct all your tasks. So click the link and join into classroom. So it is a very good application to flexibility to access your all classes. So I hope all the students will be joined within 1 or 2 days. So I will meet you all my next video.